Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I'm going to be journaling in my 2020 journal, which is the A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec, and I hope that you get out your journals or your planners or art journal, whatever you like to do, and just spend some time with me being creative because I think it's good for all of us. So this is journaling that I did on Sunday, the 5th. I guess I had stuck some stuff in here before I had turned on the camera. Sorry about that, guys. I had put a sticker in from the Sweet Kawaii Designs order that I had gotten, that I did my weekly plan with me this week. So cute! And then I had checked my P.O. box and had some just super special surprises from a couple of people, and so I wanted to put that stuff in there. That fox was on one of the envelopes. I thought it was so adorable. And then I took a picture of, well, I didn't take that picture of Fatty, Michael did, because his sister Bridget sent us a text because their daughter Annika is like not quite 1.5, but she loves to look at animal books, and she said they were looking at an animal book and there was a picture of like a black like panther type thing, and she said this one had Annika stumped, and then all of a sudden she goes, Fatty! Annika loves Fatty, and we thought that was so funny because yes, Fatty's a real panther. So and then I took a picture up in the corner. Addie and I played an epic game of memory, and she beats me every single time, and you can see Skinny's tail like draped over the cards. It was just kind of a cat-heavy day, which I thought was really funny, so there was a lot of cat stuff in there. And let's see, one of the things that Aubrey sent me was a whole box of really funny things, like really cool things, and one of it was this little pack of cat butt gum, and I took a picture of that because it was super funny. And then I put the picture of Fatty by it. And then also she sent me all this ephemera to use as like tip-ins and to glue into my journal, and so I thought that clear cat face was perfect, so I put it in as a tip-in over my cat stuff, which I just loved. And then the sticker of the Sasquatch up in the corner was from Kimberly, and she sent it to me, and it was from, it's like an illustration from the First Natives of Vancouver, BC, a sticker that they had done of like Bigfoot or Sasquatch, and she sent that to me, and I thought that was super cool. And so I stuck that in there. I took a picture of it and stuck it in because I couldn't commit to putting it down anywhere. And then I put in that little piece, that little baby with the cat was another piece of ephemera from Aubrey. And so I put that in because Addie just loves to love on the cats, and I just thought it was so cute. And they've been around like since both my kids were born. So it's kind of like they're just little best friends, you know? And then I was just writing about the getting the special stickers and how I thought it was super, super cool. You guys are just so lovely and nice to me, and you just know what I would love. It's amazing. And so I just can't thank you enough for that. You don't have to send me like things. I just like to hear about you, but you guys do. You send me the neatest things, and I love including them in my journal. And yeah, it's just so cool. You guys are the best. And then I put in a little Tim Holtz word, like phrase sticker or whatever, by the little cat that says "a corner of your heart." I love his little word stickers. I think they're so sweet. And I've used them a lot in my like art journaling and junk journaling and stuff. And then in my how to draw almost every day, I decided to doodle this little girl that it kind of represents me and Addie because she wanted to get out of the house. So we went to the mall and we walked around the mall, and one of our favorite things to do is to go into Sephora and smell all the perfume and like look at all the lip gloss. And she's 7, you guys, and we love to do it. We love to do it together. It's so funny. She's like a really fun shopping partner. We didn't buy anything, but we just love to smell all the perfumes. So I drew that little girl and I thought she turned out so cute. Oh my God. She's like walking with her little purse. Just reminds me of Addie. And then I drew the little like cosmetics and perfume bottles. That's kind of how to draw almost every day is. It's like simple little things, but then there's these little people kind of scattered throughout. And usually that's not one of the doodles, but I love drawing the little people that are in there, especially the little like girl, and I just think it's so cute. And then I was just journaling about how we went and smelled all of the perfume. She's so funny. She'd like spray it on a thing and she'd be like,
ew, that smells like pool chlorine.
Girl's got good taste. She does. She does have good taste in perfumes. So that was that day. And then, oh, I loved that quote at the bottom. Cats are like women and women are like cats. They are both very ungrateful. I thought that was funny. So I just put it in by Fatty. I don't know about ungrateful women, but I do know Fatty doesn't seem like the most grateful creature in the world. And then on Monday, the 6th, I had put in this was a piece of scrapbook paper from just a single sheet that I had gotten somewhere, and I thought it was cool. And then that little thing with the balls on it was actually a piece of Tim Holtz ephemera that I had gotten at Tuesday Morning a long time ago. And it was actually golf balls, but I put it in there to kind of represent marbles because Michael and Henry had a den meeting on Monday night, and it was about like they did marble stuff, which was pretty cool. So they built like these marble cars and like raced them down this hill, and then they did this marble maze where they had to like work together to get this marble through this big box maze. So I just love Michael. I think he's so special. He put so much time into like doing den stuff for Henry, and he's a good guy. Glad I married him, that one. And then I put in that piece of magazine collage of the ballet slippers because Addie had her first night back to ballet since before Christmas. And so I put that in there, and then I was just writing a little note about how we were in a jam because I had to work last night, and Michael had the den meeting with Henry, so one of her little dance friends, she got a ride home with her, which was super sweet. And then my doodle for the day was a coffee pot. Like I said, just like something super simple I thought was adorable. I think it's so sweet. But they're not like realistic. You know what I mean? If the how to draw almost everything is a little bit more maybe realistic, I guess. And then, but not super realistic, still doodly. So if that makes any sense, probably not. And then my dad had read my horoscope, and I thought it was really interesting because it was kind of what I was art journaling about on Saturday. So I stuck it in there because I thought that was kind of neat. Or interesting at least. And then that piece of washi tape, the pro-caffeinating, I love that. I put that in there. It was in the package that Aubrey sent me. And it has these, there was all these funny like adulting die cuts and like stickers and stuff that are just super appropriate. And then I drew a little picture of a hospital because I had to work last night. So I was just writing about that, how I went to work, and I had a productive morning, though. I'm telling you guys, these daily pages are making me so productive. Such a simple thing as like wanting to like get in there and, you know, look at my daily pages and check off my lists. I don't know. It works for me, I guess. And then these little girl bee stickers. I don't know where they are from, but they are so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. Somebody sent them to me, and now I'm blanking. What are they called? Do I have them here, but I don't know if it says on here. Pony Brown? That can't be right. They're so adorable. Day and Day Today sticker. Pony Brown. I feel like I've seen these on Amazon. If I can find them, I will link them below. with a lot of the other stickers and stuff. But it says Pony Brown. I don't know. Oh, Honeybee Village sticker. Maybe that's right. I don't know. They're adorable. And I liked that little one. It was like a bee dropping off a little girl in a pouch, and it kind of like represented her getting a ride home. And then I put don't forget and the PM sticker. Because that's definitely not something in our normal routine, is her getting a ride home. So that was kind of interesting. It's good to have friends to to ask favors of. And then those other cat stickers, that down at the bottom, I just loved the little cat in the striped sweater. I thought it was awesome. And then on Tuesday, the 7th, which is this morning, I am doing journaling before I get ready to go to work. So that you are here, I cut that out of the same scrapbook paper that I used for that den meeting little cutout. And then here's my little vegetable and fruit rainbow, which I thought was awesome. I've been excited to use this. And so I kind of like put the "you are here" pointing at the veggie rainbow because that's where I am right now. I'm in the veggie rainbow, you guys, holding strong. Well, I mean, sort of. I have to say I have slipped off the veggie rainbow a little bit, but I'm doing my best. And then my doodle for the day is supposed to be the MediaCom guy. In the book, it says boyfriend. Definitely not my boyfriend, but I thought he was a good representation of the internet guy because we gotten some new internet this morning. So hopefully this will make my husband a lot happier person, because our previous internet was complete and utter shit, and it was making our life miserable. So when this guy showed up, I thought he was going to kiss him on the lips. So hopefully this will be a lot faster, and maybe I'll even be able to upload from home. I mean, that's a big wish, so I'm not going to get too excited about it, but we'll see. And in these little doodles, I'm using my real brush pens from Arteza to color them in, and I really love it. They're really fun. They're like water-based, watercolory sort of. I don't know, I just really love them. And then these little magazine pieces were from a Real Simple that I ripped out last time we were looking for images. So there's a little computer, and then there's like little hands like exchanging a box and money. So, and then a little cell phone. So that hopefully our Netflix will be faster, our phones will be faster, everything will be faster and work better. And then that dog, Washi, was from a package somebody sent me. I loved it. It's so cute. And then, let's see, these little word stickers. I loved this one. I cut it out. It wasn't a sticker. It's just like a piece of paper. It says cancel my subscription. I don't need your issues. I guess that was supposed to apply to me and maybe our old internet. I don't need my own issues. I don't need anybody else's issues. And I certainly don't need CenturyLink's issues. So hopefully things will be better. And then I am just journaling about the new internet, and I have to go to work this afternoon. And let's see. Oh, I drew some letters that were kind of not fun, but I don't know, different. And then put a little drop shadow on them. And then let's see what else. I think I just search for more little stickers that I like. You know, I like to shove in stickers wherever possible. So that one is like a little girl, and she's like, to me, she's going like, yes. I don't know if that's at all what she's doing, but in my mind, that's what's happening. And then I put a good luck sticker, a smile, and then a bunch of coffee cups up at the top. Those are from the Pig and Cat sticker book. And then, let's see, a cat that says yes by the little MediaCom guy, and a smile sticker, and then a little sticker that says today news, because maybe we'll actually be able to get on the internet and read the news. And then this little cat poem was another piece of ephemera that she sent me, and I put it on my cat Paige from Sunday because I thought it was just perfect. It was so sweet. So I just taped that in with clear tape so that I could read the poem. And then I had this other page of cat stickers that I thought was so cute, and so I put one of them next to the little cat poem. And then a cat butthole down at the bottom, because life isn't complete without a cat butthole sticker. Let's see, what else do I do? Oh, Aubrey also sent me those cute clips, so I just clipped that one on that day, and I'm going to keep that there. There's the package for the Arteza Real brush pens. Those are what I used to decorate my planner this year, and I'm coloring stuff in. Ooh, and I gave you a little peek of my pen caddy that I got at Michael's. It spins around, and that thing fits more pens. I tell you, I love it. I got 2 originally because I was like, I'm never going to fit all my pens in here. It fits everything. That thing is deceiving. So I actually gave the other one to my mom, and that's the first thing she said to me. God, that thing fits everything, and it's like brother. I said, I know. You could move in. You could move into that pen caddy, and it spins. It's just really fun. So I was just giving you guys a little look at the last couple of days, and then remembered that I forgot to do some hearts. So I grabbed my Posca and threw those in because a day is not complete unless you slap some hearts on it. And with that message, I will wish you guys a happy Tuesday. I hope you have a good one, and that you're having time to be creative in this new 2020, and that it is treating you okay. I'll see you soon. Bye.